Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today we are going to be drawing something that I rarely draw. It's an elephant, and it's not only an elephant, it's a little teeny tiny baby elephant. Super cute. So I'm working with Sharpie on paper today. You guys might be working on canvas. No matter what, I'd rather you guys not start with Sharpie and you start with pencil and eraser. That way that in case you make a mistake, you guys can always erase and start over again. So to start our elephant, I'm gonna make a big round shape like this, but I'm gonna leave a little bit of room here at the bottom for our trunk. So the trunk is going to go kind of like this. I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna actually make this a little bit smaller. Okay. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna about like halfway up the head, okay? And I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go down, and I'm gonna curl up here, and I'm gonna swirl like that. So again, I'm starting kind of like where I left that opening. Start about maybe not even halfway up the head, but we're gonna start the trunk about here, and we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna go back up and curl around like this. And then we just need a peek of the other side of the trunk, like that. So now it looks like the trunk is kind of like curling around like this. And when I do elephants' trunks, I typically like to do just a couple quick little dashes like this, just to kind of show like their wrinkly skin. They have like this skin that has like little wrinkles in it. So I always like to kind of show a couple little curved lines there. And then we'll be ready for our eyes. So once you get this trunk detail on here, we're ready for the eyes. So I like to do my eyes. You guys that paint with me all the time at school and at the studio know I like my really big sparkly cutie eyes. So you guys can make really sparkly cutie eyes like Miss Kate, or you guys can do it your own way. You guys can also add little eyelashes or eyebrows. Maybe I'll give our little baby elephant 2 little eyebrows. That's cute. And then we'll be ready for the ears. So elephants have these really big ears like this, just like that. And I like to make my elephant ears have a little pinky middle. So I make a second little curved line like this on each side. So I can put like a little pinky in there. I always like to do that. So after we have those, we're gonna go ahead and do the sides of the body, like the front legs. So our first front leg, we're just gonna do a curve like this. And then I'm gonna do a curve like this. And then I'm gonna do a line like this. So this is one leg. Now I'm gonna have the other leg kind of tucked behind it. So I've got like this leg, and I'm gonna curve up like this. And I actually might see like a little peek at the inside of this leg. And then when I'm doing elephant's feet, I do these 1, 2, 3 little toes. 1, 2, and this one's gonna be partially hidden. 3. So after we have the 2 front legs of our elephant, I want our baby elephant to look like he's like sitting down. So I'm gonna do the bottoms of his feet, and they're gonna look like eggs, kind of tucked back behind these front legs. So like 2 big eggs on each side. So 1 here, 1 here. And then in the bottom of those eggs, I'm gonna put a big circle, and then I'm gonna add like 3 little toes, like paw prints. So same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3 little toes. And then I like to show the knees, so I'm gonna go like this. There's his little back legs. That's what makes him look like he's sitting down. And there you have it. You have a cute little baby elephant. And look at how simple that was. Super easy. Now, if you guys want to, I know a lot of my friends like to add little extra things to your elephants. So if you want to put a little tiara, or if you want to put a top hat, or you want to put some flowers on your elephant's head, you can do that. When I'm coloring this though, now, and you guys do not have to do a gray elephant. I might do a blue elephant. But I do like to do the middle of the ears here. I like to do this pink. So on so many of my animal drawings, I have these like pink inner ears. So I love using this color for the inside of the ears on most of my animals. So I've got like a nice light pink in here, but again, if you guys want to change this and make it a different color, that's fine. I do like having a little pop of color though. So if you're gonna make your elephant gray like an elephant would be in real life, then you might still want to put a little pink in here just to give it a little more color. And I'm also going to do the bottom of my peas with a pink color too. So my little paw prints, I'm gonna do those pink too. It's like this. And then I'm gonna do mine blue. I'm gonna find where's the light blue? All right, so I'm gonna do my elephant a blue color. So pretty much this whole elephant is going to be blue. But if you guys wanna do this realistic, you guys could be working with a light gray. And I like to color pretty much the whole elephant, like the whole face, the whole body. The bottoms of the feet though, I might actually do those like a little darker version of the same color. So see here, like how I'm using this color really lightly for like the knees and for this whole body in here. So I'm gonna work really fast. You guys don't go this fast, you go a little slower. All right, I'm gonna show you a little bit about shading too. Don't work as fast as me. All right, so I can use this same color, since I'm working with colored pencil, I can use this same color but push harder to make the bottoms of the feet just a little bit darker, like this. And I can also use this to put a little shadow in places. So like in here, in this little spot here, it's gonna be like a little darker, a little bit shadowed. And then it'll be lighter over here. Okay, like this. All right, and then I might have a little shadow here where these two surfaces come together, and there might be a little shadow underneath the head, a little bit of shadow underneath the trunk here. So this is where, you know, you guys can kind of like add a couple little extra details to this to make it look a little more realistic. So I could add these little shadows here, and then the bottom of the foot, just like the other side, I'm gonna push really hard with my colored pencil, just so it's a little bit different color than the rest of the body and it stands out. Like that. And then you know what? I think I might actually do the toes maybe this kind of color too. I might do those like a really dark color, like this. I think that looks nice. And then for the face, it's all gonna be this color too. But again, you can add some shadows around the trunk if you'd like. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. It has been a very long time since I've done an elephant painting. So I know most of my friends that paint with me at school probably haven't done an elephant with me. So this is a nice, fun, new idea for you guys. I am so glad you were able to paint or draw with me today. And we are posting these videos every day at 1 p.m. So I hope you will be back to draw with me again tomorrow.